Hey everyone, and welcome to Hemodia 111. Today, we're going to talk about hemodialysis. First off, what is it? Hemodialysis is a procedure to remove waste products from the blood when your kidneys can no longer do the job. When your kidneys fail, dangerous levels of impurities build up in your body. Hemodialysis removes these impurities by filtering your blood. During hemodialysis, your blood passes through a special filter called a dialyzer, also known as an artificial kidney. Waste products are removed and clean blood is returned to your body. Next, how does it work? As mentioned earlier, dialysis removes waste products that normally pass through your kidneys into your urine. Your kidneys also help control the chemical levels in your blood. These functions of the kidneys are carried out by millions of nephrons. Nephrons are tiny structures in your kidneys that act like filters. Each nephron consists of a glomerulus and a renal tubule. Blood passes through the glomerulus where water and small molecules such as waste products and excess salts pass into the renal tubule. Additional waste products are filtered out by the renal tubule, and then they are eliminated from the body as urine. In people whose kidneys have failed, this natural process of filtering wastes and excess fluids from the blood stops working properly. For people who cannot excrete wastes through their urine, dialysis provides an artificial means of performing these life-sustaining functions. Dialysis is a rather lengthy treatment. During a session, dialysis partly replaces the filtering function of millions of nephrons in your kidneys. The main component of a dialysis machine is the dialyzer. A dialyzer is also known as an artificial kidney or a kidney machine. It contains a semi-permeable membrane which acts as a filter. Blood passes through the membrane. Impurities such as excess water, salts, and waste products move into the dialysate and are removed. Clean blood is returned to your body through the blood access. Vascular access is the connection that allows the dialysis machine to access your bloodstream during treatment. The vascular access is usually created by joining an artery and a vein either in your arm or in your leg. By joining an artery and a vein, blood flow increases, making the vein stronger and suitable for dialysis needles. There are 3 types of vascular access for dialysis. They are, number 1, arteriovenous fistulas. This is the most common type of vascular access. An artery and a vein are directly connected to one another through a surgical procedure. Number 2, arteriovenous grafts. An artificial graft made of a synthetic material is used to connect an artery and a vein. Number 3, catheters. If a fistula or a graft cannot be created immediately, a catheter may be inserted into a large vein in your chest or your neck. How long does dialysis take? Most dialysis treatments last between 3 and 5 hours, but the length of your treatment depends on your needs. You may need more frequent shorter treatments or fewer longer treatments. You may even receive at-home dialysis so you can dialyze for longer periods of time. You may have treatment 3 times a week, each session lasting 4 hours. Or you may have daily treatments lasting about 2 hours each. Your doctor will determine your treatment schedule. Why is it important? Dialysis helps keep the right balance of fluids and minerals in your body. It also prevents the buildup of toxins in your blood. Without dialysis, there would be a buildup of impurities such as urea, creatinine, and toxins in the body. High levels of these substances can cause serious problems. Symptoms of kidney failure include nausea, vomiting, weakness, fatigue, changes in urination, swelling in the feet and ankles, and changes in the amount of calcium and phosphorus in the blood. Dialysis prevents these symptoms by removing impurities from your blood. What happens during dialysis? During dialysis, your blood passes through the dialyzer where impurities are removed. Dialysis also involves balancing the levels of electrolytes, acids, and other important substances in your blood. A special fluid called dialysate flows around the dialyzer. Dialysate is similar to your blood, but it has the correct levels of electrolytes, acids, and other substances that your body needs. Impurities in your blood move from an area where they are more concentrated to an area where they are less concentrated. As your blood passes through the dialyzer, impurities move into the dialysate. The dialysate then carries these impurities away. Once the dialysis treatment is over, your blood is clean and ready to return to your body. The blood flows back into your body through your vascular access. During dialysis, trained staff such as nurses and technicians monitor your treatment and make necessary adjustments. Hemodialysis uses a machine. Another type, called peritoneal dialysis, can sometimes be done manually at home. Who needs dialysis? People who have kidney failure require dialysis. Kidney failure occurs when your kidneys lose the ability to remove waste and excess fluids from your blood. Chronic kidney disease, diabetes, and high blood pressure are the most common causes of kidney failure. If your kidneys are severely damaged, dialysis may be the only way to keep you alive. Dialysis can also be used before a kidney transplant to help your body get rid of waste and extra fluids. Some people may need dialysis only for a short period of time until their kidneys recover. Others may need dialysis for many years. How often do I need dialysis? You may need dialysis several times a week for several hours each time. Dialysis can be done through the use of a machine, or it can be done manually. Most people need dialysis at least 3 times a week. Some people may need daily treatments. Your doctor will determine how often you need dialysis. What should I expect at my first dialysis treatment? At your first dialysis treatment, you will meet the healthcare team that will care for you. The team includes a nephrologist, a nurse, and a dialysis technician. You will also meet with a social worker who can help you with any financial or insurance concerns. You will be shown how to care for your vascular access. You will also be given information about diet and exercise. Can I go to school or work while on dialysis? You may be able to go to school or work while on dialysis. However, dialysis treatments take several hours and may interfere with your daily activities. You will need to schedule your treatment around your obligations. Some people on dialysis are able to work at home or attend school between treatments. What if I miss a dialysis treatment? If you miss a dialysis treatment, the impurities that have built up in your body may cause serious complications. You may feel sick, and you may need emergency dialysis. It's important to keep your appointments unless your doctor tells you otherwise. If you cannot make your scheduled appointment, contact your dialysis center as soon as possible to arrange for an alternative time. What foods should I avoid while on dialysis? While on dialysis, you need to eat a healthy diet to help control the levels of certain substances in your blood. Your dietitian will work with you to develop a meal plan that meets your individual needs. You may need to limit foods high in potassium, phosphorus, and sodium. Your dietitian will create a plan for your needs. Foods that are high in potassium include bananas, oranges, tomatoes, and potatoes. Foods that are high in phosphorus include milk, cheese, and beans. And foods that are high in sodium include processed foods, canned foods, and fast food. Can I drink coffee or alcohol while on dialysis? You may need to limit coffee or alcohol, since they can affect fluid balance. Always follow your doctor or dietitian's advice. Can I travel while on dialysis? Yes, you can travel while on dialysis. However, you need to plan ahead. Be sure to make arrangements for your treatment at your destination. You may need to contact a local dialysis center to see if they can provide treatment. You may also need to bring your dialysis equipment with you. What should I do if I have questions about dialysis? If you have questions about dialysis, be sure to ask your healthcare team. They are there to help you understand your condition and treatment options. You may also want to talk to a support group or online community. We hope that you found this video informative. Dialysis is an important treatment for people who have kidney failure. It can help remove waste and excess fluids from the body and balance the levels of electrolytes and other important substances in the blood. With proper care and treatment, people on dialysis can live long and fulfilling lives. Final message: we hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. If you did, please like and share it with your friends. We appreciate all your support and hope to see you again soon.